In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an electric fuel pump in your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the terminal on the battery, remove the negative. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to get under the seat. You're going to feel a metal bracket down there. We're going to position our screwdriver right there and pop up. Pop the seat out, then we'll do the same thing on the other side. You can see the metal U bracket, and that fits into the plastic piece sitting in the floor, and that's where it clips in. To remove the seat, hinge it up and back, and then push out, and you're able to remove. Using a pry bar or a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to go around this cover and pop it up. Go around the cover, unsticking it. There's a push button connector on this far side. Push on this far side, press the button in, and remove the connector. Because of how sticky this tape is, I'm going to actually remove the cover from this harness. I'm going to put it over to the side. I don't want that sticking to any of the upholstery. Using a vacuum, we're going to suck up any dirt or debris that's sitting on top or around the fuel pump. We're going to remove the lock. To do this, there's two tabs on either side. We're going to push those out, and as we push those out, we're then going to be able to pull it up. Remove the safety clip completely. Remove the fitting. I'm going to wrap this line up with a rag so we don't have any fuel spill. Don't lose track of your lock. Put it off to the side somewhere safe. Using an 8mm socket, remove all the bolts. Remove the fuel pump out of the tank. I'm going to let this fuel pump sit here for a little bit, let it all drain out so I'm not dragging gas over the car. That's the lid. On either side, there will be these two tabs. We're going to squeeze these tabs together, and then we're going to push up. Remove the white clip. We're going to go around removing all of these tabs to be able to pop this assembly off. Using a flat blade screwdriver, go around, get under them. As you do them, pop it up just a little bit so it doesn't reconnect. remove the gray connector, push on this tab, pull it out. For ease of working, we're going to pop this ground off. Pull the assembly down, and we're going to remove the connector. I'm going to use a pair of pliers to pinch these two tabs and pull the connector out. Install the connector into the new pump. Pull on the connector and make sure that the fuel pump is totally connected. And then slide the fuel pump up. We're going to push all of these locking tabs. Make sure they all seat. Install the pump back into the assembly. Install the gray connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked in. Reinstall the ground tab. Install the white plastic locking tab. Make sure it's sitting inside this little reservoir. It'll sit in with two clips. I have an extra cap that I'm going to install just to make sure we don't get any debris inside of here while we're installing it. Install the new O-ring, and the pump's ready to go into the car. Install the fuel pump into the vehicle. Install the cover over the fuel pump, then go around and get your bolts started. Go around and snug down all of the bolts. Torque the fuel pump bolts to 52 inch-pounds. We're going to work either side, starting here, moving here, and then just working our way around. And then we'll go around one more time. If you have a cap, go ahead and remove that now. We'll grab our line. We're going to push this straight on and then install our lock. Make sure it's clipped into place. Install the plug through the door. Install the connector into the fuel pump. Push until you hear a click. Position our cover back where it was. Push it down. Make sure it's nice and sealed. If you're having trouble resealing this, you can get extra butyl tape to help stick it back down. And then make sure the grommet is installed into this top door. Install the seat bottom into the vehicle. Grab your seat belts. Make sure the seatbelt buckles are sticking out of the seat cushion. We're going to tilt the seat up and push in. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Make sure it's secure. Install the negative cable onto the battery and snug down the terminal.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.